This project focused on developing an automated system for classifying heart sounds to support early detection of cardiac abnormalities. The system processes heart sounds, audio performs pre-processing such as noise removal and normalization, and extract MFCC features. These features are then classified using a support vector machine model into categories like normal, murmur, and acceptable. The system provides a simple UI that that the user conveniently use this model. This system allow users to upload or record video and provides a real-time classification results and user-friendly interface. This is my GitHub repo, and here present a complete source code and documentation is available on GitHub link. My team member is Sound Parmar, Sandeep More, and Satyam Prajapati. It's me, and we extend our sincere gratitude to our mentors for their individual guidance. Dr. K.K. Sharma sir, Dr. Upendra sir, Dr. Majid Ghosh sir, Mr. Akshay Gupta sir. So this is our early heart decision model. Our MFCC plus SBM approach provides an effective and reliable solution for automated heart sound classification, enabling early detection of cardiac abnormalities. Our future scope is valuable tool for early heart disease detection and screening in clinical setting. Deep learning models for improved accuracy, larger dataset for better generalization, integration with relevant health devices. Thank you for everyone. Uh, let's side view a GUI. This is my simple GUI. Let's test it. I also use this microphone. I don't so normally. Let's test it. This is normal. And this is my GitHub repo. Here are source code present.